morning guys, I'm back again here with my 25th fortnight message. And I know that from last 3 days you guys were waiting, but I'm here in Turkey and I was there in a city called Izmir for an expo and NSS, and now in Istanbul. And this is the beautiful office, the experience center of our company here. And we have another office actually, which is a full-fledged Qnet office, right? And I'm happy to be here, and believe me guys, if you guys want to build a market here, this is an amazing market. Come here and there's no issue, and I'm sure that you guys will be able to build it very fast, right? Okay, so coming back to the fortnight message, right? This week I want to share something which I observed in the last few weeks from my new market Vietnam and from other places also when I meet people after CTC and all that, what exactly we're trying to do in this business is basically, in the long run, we are trying to build a system, and system can only be built by setting up a culture, right? And how we set a culture is by doing same thing again and again with different generations actually, so that they can copy at a subconscious level, and same thing gets repeated to 100,000, 10,000 level down also, right? Okay, and that's how exactly the system gets generated, that's how exactly the culture gets built. But I started observing that the people here, okay, nowadays what exactly happened, people start adding few things from their own side. People start cutting few things from their own side, from basics like welcome and in financial plan, right? There are so many things. So I want to share with you here that if you really want to have a sustainable system where duplication should be easier process, right, then please do not try to tamper any basic process which is like welcome or a financial plan. Please do it cut, copy, paste. No matter, even if you can make it better, please don't make it better, right? If you feel you can do it better way, please don't do that. The original plan or original welcome need to stay original. Because even if you are able to do it better, but it will not be standardized across. If it is not standardized, then people will not be able to duplicate that. Because duplication only happens when people see same welcome, same financial plan from different people at different occasions in different markets. Then basically it's like listening to the same music on different DVDs at different music system in different markets, and the same song gets repeated and people start copying that, right? Otherwise what will happen, you will have your own version, other people will have their own version, and it will be difficult for downlines to learn, and they will come up with their own version, right? Now why I say do not cut or do not add anything is because in welcome or in financial plan, every aspect which is discussed is having a significance. There's a reason behind everything which we discuss in welcome and financial plan, okay? So please do not cut it thinking, oh, my people don't need to know this, right? Because that welcome or that financial plan, it is designed for every kind of profile in mind, right? Every kind of prospect or every kind of IR in mind, right? So everything which is covered is required by someone or other, right? So we have to do that same so that in future, different versions should not come out, and people who need to know all those things will be missing on all those things, right? So it has to be standardized. Please understand, do not cut, do not add. It should be cut, copy, paste, language by language also, right? Like for example, when you are doing a welcome, your downline should know that what is coming next from, you cannot keep changing every time. Same way, when you're doing a financial plan, it should be exactly cut, copy, paste, because then it is easier for them to duplicate, it is easier for them to remember that, and then same thing will go down to 100 level down also, right? And then it's easy, right? Okay, so guys, do not try to apply your brain in these two things especially, right? One is a welcome and second is a financial plan. Please use the original welcome, okay, which we started about 8-9 years back. Please use original plan, which we started around 10 years back. Do not try to cut short, maybe a shortcut plan or a shortcut welcome. It will not work, right? It has to be 100% same, right? No matter even if the person is coming from a networking background or wherever, right? Please do not do a shortcut, because then that person will think this is the right way and he will start doing shortcut and people will forget the proper way actually, right? Okay? Now there is a reason behind this, right? Because if you don't follow this, believe me, this culture will not get established and people 100 level down the line, you will go and see your own team doing something else and you'll feel, is this my business or what, right? Okay. So please maintain the standardization for welcome and for financial plan, word by word, copy paste exactly, so that it is easy for people to duplicate, it is easy for people to predict what is coming next, and downlines will be able to duplicate it better so that your bandwidth will increase, right? Okay. Thank you very much. I'll come back with my next fortnight video with a new topic. Till that time, please ensure this standardization is implemented everywhere. Thank you guys. Love you. Thank you.